Make quick work of creating uniform spirals from fruits and vegetables for curly fries, salads, garnishes and more. Removable blade box keeps blades clean, safe and organized when not in use in stores onboard. Food holder with sharp teeth holds food securely while spiralizing and dishwasher safe. Rotating handle turns fruits and vegetables to spiralize. Side handle advances fruits and vegetables through blades and folds up for compact storage. Don't let his googly eyes fool you. This spaghetti monster is a straining master. If you're planning a spaghetti dish, this noodly master will grant your wish. This kitchen strainer is all you need for draining pasta and rinsing fresh broccoli and green beans. Meal preps are always fun and efficient with this cute kitchen gadget by your side. Made with quality grade and dishwasher safe material, design awarded Studio O Toto's funny kitchen gadgets are an absolute must-have. Food sealing clips for bags. Keep bags tightly sealed. No need to force yourself to finish this bag of snacks, and no need to throw it away. You can save it for more days without losing the crispiness and freshness.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker. This unit holds up to 1.5 quarts of your favorite dessert. It comes with 3 basic parts. The first is the freezer bowl. This is a double insulated freezer bowl, which needs to be in the freezer for up to 8 hours. I'd prefer to keep it in the freezer overnight to make sure that it's solidly frozen. And it goes right here on the base. Requires no ice, so there's no mess, no fuss. This is our patent pending mixing paddle, which goes right here inside of the freezer bowl, and it makes ice cream or any frozen dessert in 20 minutes or less. And then here is the cover, which has a large spout right here, which allows you to add any mix in towards the end of if you're making ice cream, you want to add chocolate chips. It's wide enough for you to add that to your ice cream. And there you have it. That's our ice cream maker, and it makes, as I said, it makes great sherbet, sorbet, ice cream. Cuisinart's frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker.
Your black kitchen faucet features an industrial kitchen faucet open spout, 19.6 fits under most cabinets. 1-hole kitchen faucet or 3-hole kitchen faucet available. Your kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer provides soft aerated sweep and stream and splash-free powerful spray due to its hard rubber sprayer holes. 360-degree kitchen sink faucet sprayer. The switch can be placed in every position as you like. The solid brass kitchen faucet has no worry of lead. Black kitchen sink faucet made up of food-grade PEX inner hoses provides you fresh and clean water. Enjoy your healthy utility sink faucet. Kitchen sink faucet black with pretty design crossbar. Offer you more kitchen room for cloth or other little kitchen things. It's more than a faucet for kitchen sink.